हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर शालिनी गुमनानी, आपकी न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट, टैरो कार्ड रीडर, वास्तु कंसल्टेंट। आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ स्टोन्स और क्रिस्टल्स के बारे में जो कि वेल्थ और अबंडेंस के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम आज बात करेंगे सिट्रीन स्टोन के बारे में। सी, दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल सिट्रीन बॉल। Basically, citrine is a crystal which suits your money related anxiety or any money related confusions if you have in your mind. तो उस तरह की चीज़ों के लिए citrine is the best stone. You can also keep this citrine, any sort of citrine का rock रख सकते हो आप, citrine की ball रख सकते हो, इसको आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में रख सकते हो आप अपने घर पे, और अदरवाइज यू कैन कीप इट ऑन योर ऑफिस टेबल। आप ऑफिस टेबल के नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में भी प्लेस कर सकते हो, और इन जनरल आप अपने ऑफिस टेबल पे भी जस्ट उसको भी प्लेस कर दोगे तो दैट इज सफिशिएंट। इट बेसिकली दिस क्रिस्टल ब्रिंग्स लॉट्स ऑफ जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस, और आपकी पॉजिटिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा बूस्ट भी करता है। और अगर आप उसको कैरी करते हैं अपने साथ रेगुलरली, तो मे बी समथिंग लाइक दिस स्मॉल जस्ट स्मॉल लिटिल रॉक्स, देयर आर मेनी सॉर्ट ऑफ रॉक्स यू विल गेट इन द मार्केट। तो इसको चार्ज्ड क्रिस्टल रॉक्स अगर आप अपने पॉकेट में और अपने बैग में, आप अपने वेल्थ बॉक्स में या कहीं पे रखते हैं, तो दिस इज समथिंग अ वेरी मच वेरी गुड स्टोन फॉर any sort of confusion, any sort of anxiety, or any lots of money and wealth and abundance is attracted from this stone. So next is green aventurine. So green aventurine की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो this stone is basically also known as a gambler's stone. It really boosts your creativity and optimism. So you can also use this kind of a wealth tree of green aventurine, or maybe a grid of this green aventurine. We can use it in the north direction of your house, and this is really very good for typically because this is basically typically a wealth and a prosperity stone. So and this is also known as a stone of opportunity. So probably, as you all know, I've already stated in so many videos, the north is the direction of raising your opportunity. So probably to increase your opportunities, you can place this kind of stone in your north direction of your house. So here's our next stone, which is known as pyrite. This is a very beautiful mirror-like looking stone. We have these kind of flat stones and we also get pyrite rocks. So probably this stone is, as I said, it's a mirror-like stone. So it also gives you a reflection of basically, sometimes when you are unable to see what is the worthy of success for you, so probably this stone helps you to look into that matter, and you can keep it in your office for if you are facing any financial hardships or for attracting wealth. So these kind of pyrite stones are really useful for that. So here is tiger's eye. So tiger eye की अगर हम बात करते हैं, this is a very good stone for motivation and increasing your self confidence. It really helps you build your confidence. It's a very good stone for removing negative energy. So probably if you think some sort of money finances are blocked due to negative energy, so probably this kind of tiger's eye stone is very helpful for that. It is also important to see the situations with a very fresh perspective. Sometimes there could be a possibility when there are, things are not clear to you and you don't come to understand how do you have to see. So probably at that point of time, this tiger's eye stone helps you to just look at them from a very fresh perspective. You can keep a tiger eye rock like this on your table, and it also helps you to protect you from people having a bad or a negative energy coming with you, or having a negative energy kind of thing. So it is a very good stone for a protection also. And you can also wear a tiger's eye, this sort of bracelet, or you can keep a small sort of this sort of tumble in your pocket also. This will basically really give you lots of confidence, and sometimes you have lots of fears and some sort of issues in your mind, so it will really help you grab out of those situations. So our next stone is green jade. This is basically the best stone for prosperity and wealth. It is basically a very good stone for long-term plannings. So probably if you are looking for some long-term, financial plannings, or looking for new ventures, or some important financial meetings. So probably this sort of green jade is really helpful. You can also wear a green jade bracelet, or you can keep these sort of tumbles of green jade in your pocket or in your bag, or you can just also keep them in your office drawer. So as I have discussed about all these stones and crystals which are basically best for wealth and abundance and for prosperity. So I hope you have really liked this video and these tips were useful for us. So if you really liked it, so please do press like, and if you have really found this information useful and so you can just spread it over and share this to your friends and family. And please do subscribe my channel also, and if you have already subscribed it, please do press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. Thank you.